Well, it's time to go out under the coat hanger. Leaving Manly, heading up to Blackwattle Bay. Anyway, what do you think, Dale?
I know there's some good undies on the line there, on our clothesline.
There's never enough undies or pegs in our video shots.
Looks like I was doing what I do best there.
Puzzles.
Lucas doing his schoolwork, or maybe it was
Or
games.
Games. Yeah.
And Dave doing his
Chin commentary. Pretty windy up there, but we stayed on the south side of the harbour, up past Vaucluse. Had to go and get some fuel, $4 a litre.
$300.
Here's your Australian dollars. Working hard. Probably go to war soon anyway. Looks good though. Alright, about to go under the hanger now.
Yep, never get used to that view, do you, Dave?
Nope.
Coming through to the Harbour Bridge. Woo. Opera House. It is super windy out here on the harbour today. Woo.
Well, that's an interesting outfit.
What, my best nautical stripes for the entry into the harbour?
I should have had a captain's hat on.
And just in case you missed it, here's the bridge again.
You want to know some facts?
Well, you know I know some facts. The bridge officially opened on the 19th of March 1932 after nearly a decade of construction. Impressed?
Boring.
But it's one of the largest steel bridges in the whole world that has an arch shape.
Oh. Lucas was that excited he was jumping joy over it. Anything else?
Yep, the design came from Dorman Long.
Oh, Longy. Another thing about the bridge, you can also climb it. Wonder if you can see any of those freaks up top there. Anything else on the Opera House?
It was officially opened in 1973 by Queen Elizabeth II.
We're under the bridge. Heading up to Blackwattle Bay now. We're in a park. And ahead of us is Anzac Bridge up there. Here we go, got to find an anchorage now. And it's pretty shallow.
And calm.
At least we'll get a good night's sleep.
Fish markets on Good Friday.
Like good Christians that we are, that's why we're here, hey Zach?
Yeah. What'd you have for breakfast, Dave?
Eggs. Okay, so shouldn't have come to the fish markets on Good Friday.
Lines for everything.
Yep. But the seafood was pretty good. Did we get any? Nah.
Come to the fish markets, what do we get? Coffee.
Coffee. Barris. Not just seafood, eh?
Melons.
Love my melons.
Cheese, my favourite.
Anyway, we did get a bit of fruit, some coffee, and I think some prawns for later. Anyway, there were some crowds. You'll see Zoomy out there. Loyal. Waiting for me.
Us.
Or us.
We found a washing machine.
Had to walk a mile for it though. Taking off now, leaving Blackwattle Bay. Did there one night there. Now we're going to head up to Rose Bay and for an early morning takeoff in the morning up to Pittwater. Should be good. Still there's a southerly, so it'll be a nice straight line. I think another cruise ship is leaving. Look at that for dinner, eh? Prawn sandwiches, sunset. How's the traffic? Check this plane out.
Thanks for watching again. Next we'll be up in Pittwater.
Like and subscribe.
Oh.